minutes, y'all. And that can just cook while your crab cake is in the oven. And watch this. Look at all that steam, y'all. We steamed our broccoli in 6 minutes. We didn't even have to boil no water. It was easy. So now this is what the crab cakes are looking like after baking on 430 for 10 minutes. They're still light. So now we are going to broil them, y'all. And the broiling setting will give them that little crisp. You do not want to broil them for long, y'all. Make sure you watch your crab cakes while they are on broil, because they will burn. And voila. That's it. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you try my recipe, please don't forget to comment down below and let me know how it went for y'all. I hope you love them just as much as I do and my family does. And if nobody told you they love you today, just know that I love you. And until next time, guys, see you later. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.